Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the wireless display installation failed on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing I want you guys to do is actually restart your computer. Just save and close out of any open programs and applications and restart your device. And now I want you to open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt, right click on it, select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I will have a command in the description of my video, guys, to install the wireless display connection utility. So go ahead and copy that and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select edit and then select paste to paste it in. And give it a moment here. And once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go. Hopefully that was a pretty straightforward process for you. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.